Hey, hi, hello. Welcome to this 360 grades video. That means that you can interact with it. You can use your computer, mouse, or mobile phone and move it to the right, to the left, up, or down. Your point of view is your choice. Enjoy it. Welcome to Las Fiestas de la Mercè 2023 in the vibrant city of Barcelona. I'm your virtual guide, and I invite you to join me in this thrilling 360-degree journey through Plaza Sant Jaume. Strap on your VR headset, and let's explore. Step into Plaza Sant Jaume, a place where tradition and celebration intertwine seamlessly. This square has been a cornerstone of Barcelona's festivities, and during La Mercè, it truly comes alive. As we venture deeper into the city, you'll be enveloped by the electric atmosphere of La Mercè. People from all corners of the globe gather here, creating a diverse and lively tapestry of cultures. But it's the Castellers who steal the spotlight, defying gravity to build awe-inspiring human towers. This ancient tradition is a testament to the unity and strength of Catalonia's people. Amidst the excitement, you'll encounter Spanish girls in their traditional attire, curious tourists exploring the city's treasures, and beachgoers reveling in the sun, adding their unique energy to the festivities. Take a moment to appreciate the warm Spanish sun casting its golden glow on the historic architecture that surrounds us. Every corner of Plaza Sant Jaume tells a story, a testament to Barcelona's rich heritage. From ornate facades to intricate details, Barcelona's history is etched in stone. Whether you're here for the jaw-dropping Castellers, the cultural richness, or the pulsating atmosphere, Las Fiestas de la Mercè at Plaza Sant Jaume guarantees an unforgettable experience. Join us, either virtually or in person, and let's revel in the joy of Barcelona's celebration together. Don't forget to like, comment in the video, and if you have questions, I will try to answer them. You can subscribe to the channel to continue with this 360 degrees adventures around the world. Thanks for watching this video and walking with me in this adventure of 360 grades video. Don't forget to like, to comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.